Hi, I'm Armand Cruz, and in this video, we'll be showing you around one of the popular models here in Privado Homes, the Rimas House model. Today we'll be showing you around Rimas model, one of the popular units here in Privado Homes. If you've been looking for a house and lot that's easily accessible going to Metro Manila through the South Luzon Expressway, well, this is the one that you might like. This is actually under a promo of 10% down payment payable in 24 months. For as low as 15,000 per month, pwede nyo siya makuha. Sobrang ganda pa. These are high quality townhomes.
If you're new to my channel, I'm Armand Cruz. I'm a real estate broker here in the Philippines and I sell properties in Laguna, Cavite, and Batangas. So if you're looking for a property or looking to sell your property, I invite you to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, or you can also contact us on our Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage. The number is posted on the screen. We're also on social media. We have Facebook and Instagram. Or if you're just looking for a property and you just want to get updated with the latest news, you can go on our Viber community. The link is on the description box. So let's go and continue our house tour.
Before we proceed with the house tour, let me give you 4 reasons why you should buy in Privado Homes. Beginning with number 4, community. This property, Privado Homes, is just a very small community of less than 3 hectares. So just imagine, it's just a small community wherein you can interact with your neighbors, very quiet and very secure. And number 3, quality and what it offers. Here in Privado Homes, you will get quality built homes that will last you a lifetime, and at the same time, ang dami po niyang ino-offer na additionals like free air conditioning, you have cabinets inside the room, you have a beautiful kitchen inside the house. Napakasulit na po niya. Number 2, financing. Privado Homes offer flexible financing terms to our buyers of paying 10% down payment for only 24 months, zero interest, na pwedeng afterwards po nun, pwede na natin siyang i-loan through the bank. Napakasulit, sobrang gaan po niya, napakadali po magkaroon ng bahay dito sa Privado Homes. Lastly, my number 1 reason why you should buy in Privado Homes is accessibility. Privado Homes is just a few minutes away from the South Luzon Expressway, which makes it very accessible going to Alabang, BGC, and Makati. At hindi lang po yan, lapit po siya sa schools, hospitals, and also sa mga commercial establishments na kailangan po natin sa ating pang-araw-araw na buhay. For the house specifications of this property, this property sits in a lot area of 62 square meters in a floor area of 84 square meters. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, and 1 carport. Now, this property is a townhouse, and ang maganda po dito, sobrang high quality. This is one of the few high-quality townhouses that you will see around Biñan, Laguna. Kaya po I'm really excited to show you this one because hindi lang po dahil high quality and accessible, this is also one of their popular house models, ang kanilang Rimas house model. Let's begin with our carport. Ang carport po natin, kasya po ang ating isang full-size SUV. Now, you can actually place a fence in front. Meron po siyang standard na ibibigay which will be provided by developer. But upon turnover, lahat po na nakikita nyo right now except for the Christmas lights is the actual turnover. And as you can see, you have high quality or good grade materials na ginamit po sa bahay na to. And even po dito sa ating steps, this is the actual turnover. Actually, ang tingin ko lang po, I think we have to double check lang if meron po siyang pebbles na kasama, but the step is already included in the turnover over the property, and even the cement here in the garage, sobrang panalo na po siya. So tara, pasok tayo sa loob ng ating bahay. So the one that we're showing to you right now is the actual turnover here in Privado Homes. So if you were able to watch my house tour before of the Chesa house model, ito na po yung actual turnover na. From the ceiling all to the way from the flooring na 60 by 60 ceramic tiles, ito na po yung actual turnover. Even the paint, ito na po yung makukuha nyo. For the ceiling, ganyan na po yung magiging design niya. Even the lighting are LED upon turnover. And you know what I like about Privado Homes? It offers more than the usual compared to the other developers. So you will see from the lighting to the ceiling, even yung mga bintana natin are good quality na mga sliding windows na ginagamit po nila. For our tiles, we have 60 by 60 tiles po natin, yung walls po natin is painted white. So in this area is the suggested living space, but it depends on you. If you are the owner, you're the one living here, you can actually modify it according to your liking. So we move a little bit forward. This is your suggested area for your dining table. Kasya po ang ating 4-seater, even our 6-seater dining table. Now right across will be your kitchen. Now for your kitchen, this is what I like about Privado Homes. Yung kitchen po niya, ito na po yan. You have your countertop already in the turnover. You have your cabinets down below. And meron rin po tayong cabinets dito sa taas. You also have your open shelves upon turnover. So talagang panalong-panalo na po yung turnover dito sa Privado Homes. Now here also, beside the kitchen would be the access to the back part of your house. So since this is a townhouse, ang space po natin ng bahay natin is at the front and at the back. So you still have enough space at the back for your dirty kitchenware, for your laundry, for your bodega. It depends on what you need for your household. And also, dito din po sa ground floor, we have our first toilet and bath. Now, what I also like, another thing that I like about Privado Homes is the toilet and bath. Yung toilet and bath po natin, yung tiles natin all the way up to the ceiling. You also have your LED lights. Kitang-kita naman yung fixtures na ginamit, maganda. Even yung toilet natin. You also have your towel rack. You also have your sink, and meron na siyang cabinet sa baba. And alam ko po, upon turnover, they will also include a mirror here. Now we're done here in the ground floor. Akyat na po tayo sa second floor. Welcome to the second floor. Dito po meron tayong 3 bedrooms at isang toilet and bath. And as you can see, you have your painted walls na puti. And yun, maganda po dito. Okay? Privado Homes offers hindi po gypsum board, pero cement po yung partition natin sa second floor, which assures you na matibay po yung bahay natin. So let's begin first with the first bedroom dito sa second floor. It's just a good size. Kasya po ang ating single bed. And then you also have your LED lightings. You have your vinyl tiles. So kung kanina po, tiles po tayo na ceramic or porcelain. Ito po yung tiles natin ngayon. It's vinyl tiles. And then meron na po tayong provision for our window type air conditioning. Meron din po tayong malaking bintana. And meron na po tayong kasamang cabinet upon turnover of the property. So, pwede po kayo maglagay ng mga damit dyan, i-hanger nyo, tapos pwede nyo ipatong yung iba nyong pantalon dyan. Now, right beside it is the same or identical bedroom. So, tara. So, this is the second bedroom of the house. As you can see, identical to the first bedroom, a little bit bigger siguro in terms of 0.5 square meters. Pero ganun din, white walls, LED lighting, you also have your full-size cabinet, you have your vinyl tiles, meron na rin po tayong provision for your window type aircon, at meron tayong malaking cabinet. Pero dito ako excited. Check this out. Sobrang luwag na master's bedroom. This is perfect para dun sa mga families or sa mag-asawa na naghahanap na maluwag na master's bedroom. As you can see, ito po yung master's bedroom po natin. Kasyang-kasya ang ating king-size bed. And ang good news po dyan, meron na tayong provided na cabinet even in the master's bedroom. So, ito po siya. Okay? So, sa master's bedroom, inclusive na po ang ating ang cabinet, and maluwag po siya, and you have your own toilet and bath. Ngayon po, meron kayong option sa air conditioning. Sinabi ko po sa simula na meron po tayong nakapackage. Meron po tayong kasama na split type air conditioning. You have an option to transfer it downstairs or dito po sa second, dito na lang po sa master's bedroom. So tara, silipin natin ang ating toilet and bath for the master's bedroom. For the toilet and bath in the master's bedroom, very identical po sa ibaba. Actually, magkaparehas po na sukat, LED lights. You have your sink, you have your cabinet, you also have your shower, telephone shower, you have your faucet, meron na tayong nalagyan na sabon dito, you have your towel rack, you have your toilet, and you also have your your toilet rack. So, thank you very much for watching our house tour for today. If you would like to go on a site visit or an online presentation with our team, you can contact us in the contact information posted on the screen. We have our Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage. Nandiyan rin po ang aming email address. Now, if you would like to get updated and know the listings or properties that we sell in Live in the South, you can join our Viber community. The link is on the description box. I-click nyo lang po yan. Pupunta po yan sa ating Viber community. Nag-update po kami dyan ng mga latest listings natin or mga properties na i-feature pa lang natin. Or if not, you can also go to our social media pages. We have our Facebook, Instagram, our LinkedIn, and also our TikTok account. Once again, this is Arman Cruz, your licensed real estate broker, and I hope to see you soon in my next house tours. Bye guys!